Hello friends, uh, welcome to Diecast Walk. And today, after some time, we have a new addition to the collection. And I've been seeing the love that you are showering upon the channel. It's growing gradually and slowly. Thank you for all of that. Thank you so much. Today we have a wonderful and iconic supreme sports car, a classical sports car from Mercedes Benz, from Schuco. It's a 1:18 metal and plastic, that is a diecast model. The famous Gullwing doors, which are essentially hinged to the roof. So let's just get started. Before we get into the real car, let's just give a quick look to the box. Beautiful, but a small box, some compact box that they have provided. Here you can have a sneak peek to the real car. So good. It's a good sneak peek into the real model before you buy it. So nice looking box. Mercedes Benz, and the design of the enclosed product are subject to intellectual property of Mercedes Benz Group AG. They are used by Dicky Toys HK Limited under license. Alright, made in Bangladesh. Alright, it's a licensed product. We have confirmed it. Let's go ahead. Alright then. Okay, very well packed, as you can see. This little door opener has also been provided. Okay, let's just unwrap the car. So here is the model in the flesh, and it looks really wonderful, very finely crafted, and by the looks of it you can just make out the kind of detailing that they have done, and it looks like a proper model. There are no compromises made while making this model. It looks so real. Very tiny letters it's mentioned Mercedes Benz. I'll upload some pictures for better judgment of yours. Let me just open up this little tape. Okay. All right. Wowie wow. Okay. Now let's open up the iconic Gullwing doors. All right. They go up to this point. As you can see over here, this little hinge that has been packed up in the roof. This is the mechanism. It's very true to the real car also, and the checkered seats, they look so beautiful looking. open up the second door too. To complete the look of the car, have to be a bit careful, slowly, gradually. Okay, we have reached to the optimum level. This is as far as it goes. Wow, isn't it looking so spectacular, so stunning? So this was around a 3000cc engine which used to reach a speed of 263 kilometers per hour at that point in time. It was made as a coupe from the year 1954 to 1957, and later it was made as a roadster, SL300 roadster. This is the coupe version, and let's open up the other parts of it. Lovely looking car, and it was the fastest production car during that point in time. Oh, there's a spare wheel, which looks really good. The detailing is good, as you can see this tiny hammer over here and some tools. Neatly done. The Mercedes logo and 300 SL mentioned. Let's open the main deal. It's going to be a bit tricky. Let's find out a way soon. Underneath there is nothing much. Simple design. Alright, here I could just manage to open up the hood of the car. Wow. So this is the whole engine bay, the engine area. They have also managed to write the warnings in the tiniest possible manner. Looks good. The radiator is also looking well. All the pipings, all the little details are coming out well. Nice looking vehicle. Wonderful. Mercedes written on the hood of the car. So if you ask me how do I rate this car, now this is a beautifully detailed car, and I have not been able to find any issues with the design. It's so beautifully done. And just one additional detail, SL in German means super light, so this was a light vehicle made at that point in time, a sports car. So that was an additional information I wanted to share. Apart from that, I'm in love with this design. The way they have executed the whole model is spectacular. I'm so in love with the kind of detailing they have done. It's very intricate, very true, and as I told you, if I have to review it, is 10 on 10. This Dunlop written on the tires, this is attention to detail, proper attention to detail. Mercedes logo, the tires, they spin well. The underneath could have been done a bit better, but apart from that I don't see any issues with the car. It's beautifully crafted. So hope you like the video. Do share it with your car enthusiast friends, and yeah, like all other Diecast models, the steering moves along with the wheels, front wheels. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Okay, let me just say ciao by opening up the gullwing doors once again. uh, this car definitely deserves that. This particular model definitely deserves that. So let me open up the gullwing doors again. All right, a proper ciao, a proper goodbye. Thank you.